When people talk about computer viruses, they often think of ransomware, Trojans, or spyware that steal passwords and lock files. But there's one threat that operates on a completely different level: LoJax. Unlike typical malware that infects your operating system, LoJax burrows into your computer's firmware, giving hackers control even after you wipe your drive or reinstall Windows. So, is LoJax the most dangerous computer virus ever? Let's find out. LoJax first appeared around 2018 and quickly gained attention from cybersecurity experts because it was the first UEFI rootkit ever discovered in the wild. Now, UEFI stands for Unified Extensible Firmware Interface. It's basically the code that starts up your computer before your operating system loads. This means that when LoJax infects a system, it hides in the part of your computer that antivirus software rarely checks. Even if you completely reinstall your OS or replace your hard drive, the virus can stay and reinfect your system again and again. What makes LoJax so scary is how deep its control goes. It can survive formatting, persist through updates, and bypass normal security tools. It essentially gives hackers a God mode level of access to your PC. Once it's installed, attackers can monitor activity, steal credentials, and secretly control your device without you even noticing. This kind of access is especially dangerous for governments, large corporations, and anyone storing sensitive data, which is why cybersecurity agencies worldwide have flagged it as a serious threat. LoJax is believed to have been created by a group linked to state-sponsored cyber operations. Its main targets weren't random users, but government agencies, defense contractors, and diplomats. However, the techniques used by LoJax have since inspired similar attacks that could be adapted for broader use, making it a potential danger for regular users too. The fact that it manipulates the firmware level makes it nearly impossible to detect with traditional antivirus programs. So how do you protect yourself from a threat like LoJax? The key is firmware security. Always make sure your BIOS or UEFI firmware is updated, as manufacturers often release patches that close vulnerabilities. Enable secure boot in your BIOS settings. It helps ensure only trusted firmware runs on startup. You should also keep your operating system and security software up to date and avoid downloading suspicious files or connecting untrusted USB devices, since these can be used to install firmware-level malware. So, is LoJax the most dangerous computer virus ever? Many experts would say yes, at least in terms of persistence and stealth. It's not the most widespread, but it's one of the hardest to remove and most invasive threats ever found. It redefined what infected means by moving the battleground below the operating system itself. If you learned something new today, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more cybersecurity deep dives, and comment below which virus or malware you want to learn about next. Stay safe and keep your systems protected.